Okay, so we have our vision, we have our mission, we have our strategy. And for us to achieve that, we need to ensure that we have and we keep our critical success factors. Critical success factors are things that must go right for the organization to succeed. Oh, and there can be various types of critical success factors. Like, let's say, if we are an audit company, for us to successfully participate in tenders, we need to have qualifications of our auditors. And as such, we need to have our auditors certified. So for us to be able to win the tender, we need to have not less than 10 certified auditors. Or let's say we are an IT company that is engaged in outsourcing. So for us to be able to tender for a big project, we need to have not less than 1,000 employees because the customer will look at our ability to increase the number of personnel on this project short term. Well, these are the examples of those critical success factors that are internal to our organization. So that is something that organization has. But there can also be external critical success factors, like let's say the ability to source the resources cheap. Well, for example, we are located in a low-income region and we are able to get our labor cheap. And as such, our labor costs are cheap. Or, for example, we are able to get our product cheap. So let's say if we talk about a supermarket, quite often supermarkets succeed because they have low prices. So they need the ability to get the goods that they sell cheap. So as such, they need to have the very efficient operations. They have to have this very cheap delivery. They have to buy in huge volumes to get them as much discount as possible. So the ability to get the resources cheap is going to be their critical success factor. And we can also have some success factor that are based on our processes, on the monitoring. So let's say the ability to keep our operations efficient, the ability to keep our cost down, and the success factors can be built in like something that we increase, like the ability to win more and more tenders each year or to win more and more rewards. So critical success factors can be different in types, but they are like formulated in what we need to have. And sometimes we need KPIs. So these are key performance indicators that are going to set for us the level for these critical success factors. Like, let's say we need to have profit margins not less than 30%, or we need to have at least 10 employees with some certificate, or we need to have at least 5 patents that are registered each year. So KPI is a measurable value that demonstrates how effectively a company or organization is achieving its key business objectives. And quite often they are aligned to critical success factors and to objectives and to mission, because we need to measure those to be able that we are actually reaching for those.